Eastern on HLN.
George Zimmerman is expected to appear at a court hearing Tuesday. He's accused of murdering Florida teen Trayvon Martin last year. Zimmerman's attorneys are arguing several motions filed by the defense. Meanwhile, the defense wants prosecutors to hand over specific information. Jean Casares has your preview.
George Zimmerman will be in a Sanford, Florida courtroom on Tuesday. It is believed this will be one of the final hearings before his trial begins on June 10th. The prosecution has filed a motion asking the judge to personally ask George Zimmerman if he is going to have an immunity or stand your ground hearing before his trial. Now, the court's deadline for that has passed, but according to Florida law, it is allowed, with a judge only, to look at the evidence and determine if the killing of Trayvon Martin was justified. In other words, if George Zimmerman reasonably believed that he was in imminent danger of death at the hands of Trayvon Martin. In other motions, the defense has filed many asking for sanctions to be entered by the court against the prosecution. And one, for instance, it's all about witness number 8. Now, that's the young woman that spoke with Trayvon Martin on his cell phone minutes before he was killed by George Zimmerman. The defense is alleging that in her first few interviews that she actually lied, saying she was in a hospital, and that's why she couldn't attend the funeral of Trayvon Martin. They are saying this is exculpatory material, that it helps them, that they need to know this, and the state had a duty to tell them about this lie as soon as they found out. The state, in a scathing response, although they admit that witness number 8 was not truthful about that, say the defense has it all wrong, that it's not exculpatory, it doesn't help them before the trial, that it can only be used to try to impeach witness number 8 during the trial as she testifies. And in late-breaking news, the defense has now filed another motion for sanctions against the prosecution, asking the court to strike that response from the state, saying it is filled with sarcasms and personal attacks against the defense. We can expect a lot of fireworks in that courtroom Tuesday in Sanford, Florida.
Oh, I bet. Jean, thanks so much. And we're just days away